All right, last part of lesson 7 in unit 5, 7.3 satellite scale factors. A government agency is redesigning a satellite or an object that goes in orbit around the Earth. The surface of the satellite is covered with solar panels that supply satellite with energy. The interior of the satellite is filled with scientific instruments. In the current design, the satellite has an area of surface area of 5.4 square feet and a volume of 1.2 cubic feet. If the if the agency wants to increase the surface area to 21.6 square feet, so the satellite can generate more energy, by what scale factor do they need to dilate the satellite? So we know that the surface area right now, as it stands, is 5.4, and I want to dilate. I'm going to call this the surface area prime. I want the new surface area to be 21.6. So what is the scale factor going to have to be so that happens? Well, I need to take my original scale factor, or my original area, multiply it by the scale factor squared to get the new volume, excuse me, the new surface area of 21.6. So what would that scale factor have to be? Now we just have to work backwards and solve. So if I want to solve for k, I'm going to divide both sides by 5.4. And when I do that, I'm going to get k squared equals, let's see, 21.6 divided by 5.4 is 4. So if k squared equals 4, k has to be 2. So the scale factor would be 2. If the scale factor is 2, then the surface area of the satellite will be 21.6. And the bigger the satellite, the more surface area we have, the more energy we can take because it's covered with solar panels. Number 2, the agency wants to increase the volume from 4.05. So we want to bring the volume from to 4.05, where the original volume is 1.2. So I know the volume is 1.2, and I want to dilate it, so the new volume is 4.05. So what do I have to multiply 1.2 by? What's the scale factor to get me to 4.05? Well, it's going to be 1.2 times whatever that scale factor is cubed. We can't forget that cubed. We're in 3D. We're going to go to the third power. To solve for k, divide both sides by 1.2. And then I'll get k cubed equals, let's see, 4.05 divided by 1.2, that's 3.375. Now I take the cube root of both sides. So just like here, we took the square root of both sides. We gotta take the cube root of both sides to get k by itself, and a cube root of 3.375 ends up being 1.5. So the scale factor must have been 1.5 if I wanted to increase the volume of the satellite dish to 4.05. Anyways, that's it. The main point of this lesson is really just if I can know what the original and new volumes are, or the original and new surface areas are, can you go backwards and tell me what the scale factor is? Anyways, do me a favor, ring the bell for notifications and smash the like button. It'll really help the channel. In fact, if this video gets 1,000,000 likes, I'll even upload a new video next week. And for those special amazing people who want to go the extra mile, you can find me on Patreon at Sweetie3.14. All right, have a nice day. Bye.